Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Coach Denim Tabby. This one is from You Trust Biz. They are an online website that specializes in high quality reps such as Coach, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, and so much more. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get straight into it. So this bag does come with a dust bag. It didn't have a box, but it does have the little Coach dust bag, and I believe this is the size 26 bag, so it looks just like this. And this one is supposed to be like the first collection that did have that blue C. The one that's currently in store has the gold C, so the second drop. So this is supposed to be the rep for the first drop. So this is what it looks like. I do feel like there are slight differences in the bag. Like this one, the stitching for the yellow I feel like is more prominent, whereas the real one, it's more of a lighter yellow. So I feel like it's not as noticeable in the stitching. And then I do feel like the denim on the other one is a bit more darker, but I feel like this is still a cute bag. It does have this on the side of it, the little tassel. So you do have that C, you have your straps, so you can wear this crossbody or you can wear it on the shoulder. It also does have that back pocket that has the magnetic close to it. And then you just open it. The actual quality of the bag does feel nice as well. It still has like that plush look of how the real denim one looks. It does have the zipper so that you have space to put stuff on the inside, and then you also have this back compartment. And if you look close, you can see the Coach, and then you do have this front space too. So this bag does contain a lot of space to put things. And then you also have this flap that has the magnetic close, and you can put stuff in there too. So this bag has really good space. So I feel like this is such a perfect little spring/summer bag. I feel like denim always looks good during that time, especially if you do like a white shirt, denim jeans, some cute sandals. You can make it look really nice. So this bag is super cute. I'm glad I finally have it in my collection. I've been eyeing the Coach Denim Tabby for over a year now, so finally glad to have it. So cute. Probably get some matching sandals for it as well. But if you guys are interested in this bag, I will have it linked in the description box below, plus a discount code so you guys can save some money off of your purchase. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.